how to remove recommended songs from Spotify playlist. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on mobile Android, but you can do the exact process on your iPhone too, okay? Or your computer, doesn't matter. So the first thing you need to do is log in Spotify, log into your account, click on your library and select the playlist that you want to remove the recommended songs, okay? I will use this one just for example, but you need to find your playlist, the playlist that Spotify is recommending songs. After the video, you will see this songs on Spotify. So you just need to click on this option, okay, and rinse it. And the recommendations had been removed, okay? If you want to turn on again, click again on this button and you turn on your recommended songs on your Spotify app. I hope I help you how to remove recommended songs from Spotify playlist. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.